What is going on, guys? We are with Sack, the return of the Sack. It's been a quick minute.
It's been a minute.
He hasn't been around since Justin got the Dirty 6.
Over there.
Yeah, down yonder.
Looking pretty.
This is what we're doing today, though. You know fun things are coming when you have tires in the back of the car, and the jack, and the 4-way under there. So let's get it.
Let's go.
Smoked out garage! Smoked out garage, how we do it out here? Woo! Let's get it! Get in! Yo, let's go! Get in! On a flat tire, you know how we do it out here. My tires. Well, I have to get new wheels on this, boys. Yeah, John's definitely needs some new tires. Yeah, John's pretty crazy. I was right behind you when you flew off. Sick? That's just like boom! You doing all this? Yeah. Yeah. Of course. Look at
No one is doing
I got you, bro. We got the tires hidden. Straight looking like a Mexican drug deal. Yeah.
You gotta go down.
Yep. Getting the tire back on now. Don straight blowing his tire. NASCAR pit stop right here.
Yo, jack it up. Jack it up. Jack it up.
Jack it up, boy.
Look at my tires, dude. They're also... There's just chunks.
Yeah. Straight warm tires, straight melted. Nice and soft. Oh yeah, they are fucking... Smells like a Beamer.
I was just hitting the limb a little bit, huh?
How do you do this? Oh.
Oh fuck, she's so low.
Oh, she real low. That's how we doing that out here. GoPro still recording.
Take it off, take it off. Take it off. Watch. Wheel. And that's how you go with the bandit.
Facts. The fucking Steve.
Just popped my first set of tires. Should be an interesting video.
So that'll be fire.
No Volvo, don't get shit. These wheels are fine.
I think they're pretty fine.
What?
I think they're pretty fine.
No, like an output to put tires on them.
The replacement tire looking all bummy. We ain't even about to make it home.
These rims aren't even bad either.
you saying over here? What are you saying?
I'm saying we're doing car stuff, man.
So yeah guys, today we're gonna teach you how to put on a tire after you've blown them to fucking pieces. Sorry, I swear.
You know, I just don't know when any police might come or like.
Yeah.
It's just scary, these tires. They look like we had a flat, but there's two of them like that, so.
So they might be a little suspicious. You don't want them coming back here.
And well, I didn't really realize, but everything's rubbery.
Oh shit. Did that just happen?
Yeah, most of that, yeah.
Damn. That's crazy. Yeah, we just like blew off the tires, kid. Cause that's how we do them. Dude, you started laughing when the tire blew up?
Yeah. One part hit me and I was like,
That's your hair. The thing's boom! That shit was wild.
Alright, so you got a good camera?
Wires?
What?
There's wires?
Obviously.
I swear, the other ones are like ropes. Are there ropes in there too?
Nope. Yeah, ropes and wires, it's both.
So it's ropes, then wires, then just gone. I almost bust my head. Let's try my skateboard, yeah?
You gotta someone hold this up.
It got me. Fire. Yeah, right now we just gotta get out of here, you know. Gotta do it before the feds come. We don't want any problem with the Jakes. Watch out for that. Wow, blow this shit.
How is this? Won't come off.
Is it?
Yeah, smells like a burnout.